Oh, when the saints come marching in. Oh, when the saints come marching in. Can't get the song out of my head now. I bet you can't either. I bet you'll be singing it all day. Young girl next door, it's only Babby. She's learning, I think it's the, I don't know, the flute or something she's playing it, and it's in my head now. It's stuck in my head. I can't stop singing it. Anyway, how are we all? This week I'm very busy. The lad's got his graduation Thursday, so we're getting loads of things prepared. So what I'm going to do this week, if you're wondering why I'm doing the food I'm doing, is because we've got loads of things to do. So I just want to do quick and simple things, if you get what I mean. Nice and simple. So I'm going to try and get ahead of me this week and get a few videos done. But today's, hopefully, is going to be nice and delicious. Let me show you. Okay, we're going to be doing some prawns and some calamari today. I've never had any of these from Aldi before. That's where I got them from. £2.29 each. They're reduced. I think there was £2.49 or something, but they're reduced. And I'm going to do them with a little bit of a stir fry. Only a simple one, as I say. So I've got myself one large carrot, and I've just cut them thin. One yellow pepper. Some bean sprouts. Snap beans. A little bit of, actually, how many was it? 3. It was 3 spring onions. Some bean sprouts. I got some baby cucumber. I've used 1, and I've just cut it thin like that. They're going to go, and some radish. They're just going to go on top for like a bit of a dressing to colour it up a bit. That's all. And just some of these packs. We've all seen these packs, haven't we? Sweet chilli and garlic, and an oyster and spring onion to go into the stir fry. And I've got another 2 packs of. I've got another sweet chilli there, which I have in the cupboard, and a sweet and sour. And I'm just going to use them as a dip. I'm just going to warm them up, put them in a bowl. We can use them as a dip to dip the prawns in and the calamari, can't we? So anyway, let's have a look first. This one is garlic and herb breaded king prawns, juicy prawns in a seasoned golden breadcrumb. £2.29. These ones aren't new, it just says new look. There they are. You want to have a look at that? Who's still singing when the saints come marching in? I bet you are in the back of your mind, ain't you? Scrumptious seafood is what we do best. Okay, there's that. I'm going to do these in the air fryer. Nice and quick and convenient. They shouldn't take long at all, should they? And there's the ingredients. You want to have yourselves a look at that. Nutrition, wherever it is, at the bottom. There's that one. Let's open them up then. Garlic and herb. Now, I bought 3 different ones because I thought I'm not going to do separate videos on a different one. I'm just going to do them all together, you know. And once you eat these prawns, if you do like prawns, you can just eat more and more, can't you? So, you do get quite a few in there, actually. Serves 2. I haven't looked on the bag. Let me show you somewhere. Probably can't find it now. But it does say serves 2 anyway. There's them ones. The garlic and herb. This one is new. Bubble breaded king prawns. Juicy prawns in a seasoned rice crumb. That's them ones. Also $2.29. It says new. I don't know how new they are. There's that one there. You want to have a look? So they're all going to be done in the air fryer, just for convenience to me. Ingredients again on that one. And let's see if I can get it for you. Nutrition, if you can see. Let's open the bubble then. There's them ones. They look quite nice. They don't look bad at all. And now the calamari. I've never had this from Aldi at all, ever. Delicious squid coated in a marinade of soya sauce, garlic and chilli. And as with this one, what's this one say here? Pineapple style cut squid coating in a mixture of cornstarch, light soya sauce, sesame oil, garlic puree, red chilli, seasoned with coriander and black pepper. So they all go, this one's going in the air fryer as well. Ingredients, if I can get it, come on. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that. Is that blurred or is that me? And the nutrition. There we go. Let's open the calamari up. There's them ones. Well, they look nice, don't they? They look quite nice. Right. Let's start. Right, I've got both my air fryers out. I'll have to move you like this. I'm going to put my prawns in them, that one, both prawns. And I'm going to put my calamari in that one. And that one's heated up, so I'm going to get it open. Going to be a bit chaotic. I'm going to try not to get them close to each other, but obviously I'm not really going to be two, because we're going to know which ones are which anyway, isn't it? I'm going to get in there all together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and a little bit there. And here's the bubble bubby, bubble ones on this side. Get them all in. Let me know if you've done prawns in the air. I've never done them in the air fryer, so I wouldn't know how long they take. I bet they're only going to take 10 minutes, ain't they? They ain't going to take longer, are they? Try and get that right touch in. There we go. That's them ones in. And the calamari ones, I can just pour them straight in. Move that back a bit. Nice bit of squid. There we go. Pull that forward. Right, onto the stir fry. Okay, first things first, a little bit of oil in here. Just a drop. I have got my pan heating up already. It's only going to take 5 minutes to do anything. Put that a little bit higher. Bring this light around so you can see. There we go. Oh, they smell nice in that air fryer. That smells really nice. Oh, they've done half. Ooh. So nice and simple then. I'm just going to get it all in and it's going to fry it up for 5 minutes. I'm not putting any garlic or anything in there because we've got it in the sauce anyway. Give these a couple of minutes, then we'll get the bean sprouts in. Just keeping shaking it, that's all guys, that's all I'm doing. I'm not using my wok today. I'm going to get me spring onions in and I want some bean sprouts. Get them in. Just pile it up a little bit. You can even, if you wanted to, put some noodles in it, couldn't you? But pack it with bean sprouts and it'll be delicious, that will. Well, mix. I'll give them about 1 minute, then we'll get the sauce in. Looking nice. Nice little colours in there. Right, let's get me sauce in. Sweet oyster and spring onion. I'll get one of them in because it's what I've got in the cupboard, so I can use them. And I'll just put one sweet chilli in first and garlic, just in case. I can always put the other one if I need to. Don't think I will. Get them together. Why not? Mix and match. Mix and match. All that in there. Look at that. Simple and delicious. Look at it. Look at it. I think I don't need the other one. Right, okay guys, are we ready to dish up? The calamari's done. About 1 more minute on the prawns. I did have to try one to see if they was done. But anyway, let's get some of this stir fry in each one. Can't get this song out of my head at all. I can't. There you go, look, that's looking quite nice, isn't it? It's looking quite nice. Bit of calamari, there they are. Get a few on each one, I'll put these at the side. Ooh, smells delicious, you know, it really does. Oops. Smells really nice. Oh, there you go, that one, it's about the same, it's about even. And now we've got the prawns. Oh. There they are, you probably can't see. They're hot, so I have to put them down quick. Put a few, I'll put them on the side, so I'm not sure if I that likes prawns, you know. I'm not 100% sure. We'll try them separate then, won't we? Loads here, ain't there, look? And we'll put these on top, eh? Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. These are the ones I tried, these bubble ones, whatever they're called. Bubble. Something like that, ain't it? Look at this plate full of goodness. Plate full of goodness there, look. Oh yes. And a bit of radish. I'm not keen on radish at all, so I've just done one and just cut them thin. But I'll put them on for the content, eh? We just pile them on there somewhere. And a few bits of cucumber. Baby cucumber, whatever it's called. It is cucumber, is it? Baby cucumber or little cucumber? I don't know. There we go. We've got a bit of both there. Right, up the table. And let's have a taste. Right, Nath just walked in, she was in the garden. She's walked in, she's gone, ugh. The smell's hit her, hasn't it, yeah. Bab? I haven't told her what anything is, so she doesn't know. I mean, she can tell they're prawns, obviously. So let me show you, anyway.
Looks quite nice.
It does look nice, doesn't it? But you don't like fish usually. There's mine. I mean, I've packed the plate like a stupid one, but I wanted to try each one. Right, that is bubble. I think it's bubble prawns. In. Oh, let me get the things for you, just so you know. That one is that one, bubble prawns.
Okay.
Right, that's that one. Them ones there are garlic and herb prawns.
Okay.
And this one is probably one you can smell, is calamari, squid.
Octopus.
Yeah.
I've never ate octopus.
Well, that's it there. You can try it now.
This one?
That one there, yeah. Oh, what? You're going to eat the prawn first. I didn't know if you like prawns or not.
That's not too bad. I don't mind prawns, but it's just when I'm weird because I don't like too much fish, if you get what I mean.
You don't like fish.
I don't mind a few mouthfuls, but I've never...
I wasn't sure whether you like prawns or not.
I've never ever...
When I say at Christmas have a prawn salad and that, you say no, don't you? So I weren't sure. But with batter on and that, I thought you might be...
I've never ever tried that.
I never done my dips. Anyway, we've got no dips. You have to just dip it in that gravy, in that sauce there. I'm supposed to do a couple of dips.
That sauce is nice.
Alright, anyway, let's try the normal. I have tried one of these, wanted to see if they was done in the air fryer. And they're not too bad, actually. So hot.
I love bean sprouts.
They're quite nice. How's that stir fry, Bab? Oh, let me bring you down.
That's lovely. Right.
Nice and simple, 5 minute thing, that's all.
I'm going to try a squid.
You're going to try squid? Oh, let's get you on then, while you try one.
Yeah, thanks.
Go on, see how you feel. You might like it or you don't, but yeah, that's it, isn't it?
I like the batter.
You like the batter?
It's chewy, isn't it? I'm not sure.
Not sure. Not one of your go-tos. Not one of Nat's
I
go-tos.
like the batter on it.
Eh? Let me have a crack at one.
The batter's really
I've never had one of these from Aldi before. And they do smell quite nice.
The batter's really nice. I'm not sure about the little bit. I've never had squid before.
I like them.
It's really fishy.
Got a little bit of a chewy taste. There's a little bit of a chew on it, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's the over fishy, fishy taste.
I quite like them.
The batter's nice, isn't it?
I like it all.
Oh, I'm gonna go one.
And here's the garlic and herb one. You might like that one better because it's got garlic and herb batter on it. Yeah, they're nice. That batter's nice. And that garlic and herb. Isn't it?
I don't hate that stuff, but I
It's
would
just
be
not-
able to eat it.
It's just not for you. That's my favourite, that garlic and herb.
That one's my favourite.
Them bubble ones.
Quite nice.
That's something nice and simple. They took about 7 or 8 minutes in the air fryer. That's all they took. And it's took, what, 5? This stuff. Yeah, all in all, that's a big thumbs up from me. On all of them. Each one, £2.29 each. I'll buy them all again, every one of them. Stir fry's delicious, isn't it?
Yeah.
Simple with them packets.
I love bean sprouts and carrots.
What do you think overall of the dinner?
Nice.
I know you don't like the calamari,
It's nice.
but it's not your sort of thing, is it?
No, but
But
it's not.
the taste of there, ain't they, and everything, ain't they?
It's not vile. I'm not going. Oh, I need
No,
that.
because you're eating it.
I'd give it
You're not
Okay.
7 or an 8 or something.
6.5, 7.
6.5, 7. That ain't bad for somebody who doesn't really like fish, is it? That ain't bad at all. I'll give it probably an 8 for a quick 10-minute video, quick 10-minute cook. I'd probably get an 8. That ain't bad. Well, there we go, guys. As I say, it's going to be a bit of a mess around this week. I will get the videos up. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Try these, let me know you've had them. Bye-bye.